Hi everyone, in this video we will be discussing 10 incredible health benefits of eating bananas every day. Bananas are a great source of nutrition and can help you maintain your overall health. So let's get started. Rich in potassium. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure levels and keeps your heart healthy. It also helps reduce the risk of stroke and other cardiovascular diseases. High fiber content. Bananas are high in dietary fiber, which aids digestion and prevents constipation. Eating just one medium-sized banana provides about 3 grams of fiber, making it an excellent choice for a healthy snack or breakfast food. Boosts energy levels. Bananas contain natural sugars that provide quick energy to the body without spiking blood sugar levels like refined sugars do. This makes them a great pre-workout snack to give you extra energy before hitting the gym. Improves digestion. The high amount of fiber found in bananas is beneficial for improving digestion as it adds bulk to stools, helping them pass through the digestive tract more easily and preventing constipation or diarrhea symptoms from occurring too often. Plus, they contain probiotics which can help support a healthy gut microbiome. Rich in antioxidants. Bananas are packed with powerful antioxidants like polyphenols and carotenoids, which have been linked to reducing inflammation and protecting the body from free radical damage caused by environmental toxins. Plus, they can help protect against chronic diseases such as cancer and diabetes. High in vitamins and minerals. Bananas are also an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, B6, magnesium, manganese, and zinc. These nutrients play an important role in keeping our bodies functioning optimally. Lowers cholesterol levels. Eating bananas regularly has been shown to lower LDL, bad, cholesterol levels while raising HDL, good, cholesterol levels. This helps to improve overall heart health and reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases. Enhances brain function. Bananas contain potassium, which is a key mineral for brain function. Studies have shown that consuming enough potassium can help boost memory, focus, and concentration. Aids weight loss. As bananas are low in calories but high in fiber, they can help with weight loss as they make you feel fuller for longer without adding extra calories to your diet. Plus, their natural sugars provide quick energy to keep you going throughout the day. Improves mood and stress levels. Eating bananas regularly has been linked to improved mood and lower stress levels due to its high amount of magnesium. Magnesium helps to relax the body and mind, thus reducing stress levels and promoting a better outlook on life. So there you have it, 10 incredible health benefits of eating bananas every day. Whether you're looking for a quick pick-me-up before your workout, or just want to get some extra vitamins and minerals in your diet, look no further than the humble banana. Start incorporating them into your daily routine today, and soon enough you'll be reaping all of these amazing health benefits.